We start this experiment from the setup we used in total internal reflection video. When the incident angle is larger than critical angle, the microwave is totally reflected back into the prism and comes out from the other leg. Hence, the receiver shows zero scale behind the prism. Now let's put another paraffin wax prism behind the first one. We can see the receiver gets some reading. When we make some gap between two prisms, the intensity decreases accordingly. Let's see how large the gap can be while still showing noticeable reading in the receiver. The gap here is around 1 cm wide. Note that the microwave's frequency is 10 GHz, so the wavelength is around 3 cm. From this experiment, it seems like that microwave from first prism can jump to second prism when the gap between them is small enough. This phenomenon is often called evanescent wave coupling.